Hey everybody, Tim here, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well, last fall out here in the ham salad, the ham sandwich, that's what my wife calls it, the ham sandwich. Out here in the ham shed, we started a campaign to get 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And what we were going to do is do a giveaway once we cross that threshold. And that giveaway was the Prison Edition Denko 5.5 amp hour battery. And this is a great accessory for any amateur radio operator who loves to do portable operations. Ideally, the right size for portable operations, a little bit bigger than a 3 amp hour, not quite as heavy as like a 12 amp hour battery. So best of both worlds. Now, I had previously posted a video, I'll go ahead and link to it up here, about how to get registered for the giveaway. Deadline is coming up. This is the last chance to get registered. If you go to my website, GraymanPOTA.com, and I will link that down below, go there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button in the corner there to email list. Subscribe to it. It's going to ask you for your email address. Now, here's the important part. You need to go back to your email once you submit it and verify it. And until you verify it, I don't know that you have signed up for the list, okay? Now, on March 30th at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, so 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, that's midnight Zulu, we will cut off that list. All right, any entries after that will not be valid. They'll be excluded from the drawing. And once we have that list put together, come back to my channel at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or the Ham Radio Kids Table. We're going to simul stream this, and we will do the giveaway on April 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on either my channel, GraymanPOTA.com, or the Ham Radio Kids Table, and that's Wednesday night. So once again, key things to remember: make sure you get signed up before 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on March 30th, and then be there for the drawing. Now, if you're unable to make the drawing, that is fine. I will have your email address, so if you did win, we will go ahead and send you an email anyways, and we can figure out where to have Dennis ship this. Now, the only caveat to this is coming directly from Dennis from Denko Batteries, so he is limited to only being able to ship inside the continental United States. These are restricted items going outside the continental United States for shipping. So with that being said, if you are outside of the continental United States, we will work out an equivalent value that can be shipped, whatever it is. It could be Baofeng radio. Well, maybe a dozen Baofeng radios. Point is that we find the equivalent value and we will get that to you. So until then, make sure you get subscribed to the list, like this video, share this content with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I have a video right over here that you might be interested in.